Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have my final Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box. So this is the deluxe size, that is the middle size box, which is $75 and has 8 items inside. So I am really excited to, of course, dive in and see what the last products that I got from these mystery boxes are. I really loved a lot of what I got in my other mystery boxes. Some of it was, a little different. Some of it I'm really excited about. So I'm really eager to dive in. If you don't know, I am doing a giveaway between the two videos. So you probably want to start with that one. If you've stumbled upon this video, I did unbox both the premium and the supreme box yesterday on my channel, so that video is already up. I will have it linked right down below, and then there is one giveaway between the two videos, but I already have at least 2 winners, so there's some really good stuff in there. If you want to be part of the giveaway, just stick around until the end. I'll unbox my stuff and then I'll tell you how many winners we're gonna have. It's all depending upon what is in this box. If I happen to get another one of these guys, this mini breaker palette, then there may be 3 winners, so we're gonna see. So without much further ado, I'm gonna just dive into it, and like I said, just stick around until the end if you want to know how you can enter to win some Jeffree Star products. All right, so I did go ahead and just cut this one open. I haven't peeked yet, believe it or not, and let's see. Okay, I see the clothing item right on top, so I'm excited about that. So this is a t-shirt, it looks like. So this is a black t-shirt, and it says, so I really wanted that zombie one, and I still may get that one too. But this one is so cute. So this is another Can't Relate t-shirt. It's got like orange and yellow, and then you can see the little snapping hand is actually a skeleton complete with little Halloween fingernails. How freaking cute is that? Yes. Okay, so I think I still want the zombie one because, zombies, skeletons, it's all good. I really like this though, so I'm super excited about this shirt. I'm actually wearing a little Jeffree Star one. I think I got this one in my previous mystery box, but this one's really cute. I'm actually super excited about that. I love the skeleton hand. This is a liquid frost in the shade Chill Zone. So I only have one liquid frost. I don't have this particular shade, so let's open it up. Oh, wow. This looks like a very dark shade. This is what it looks like. This is obviously not gonna be a highlighter for me. Like there's no way in hell. So I don't know what else I maybe can use this for. What the? Obviously, it's very dark for me. Honestly, this item is a little disappointing just because I really don't know what I can use this for. Like, today on my eyes, I actually have one of the Supreme Frost, which is too dark for me, but I've used it as kind of like a glitter. So, like, I can definitely make stuff work, and I usually don't mind. But this is just one of those things that, like, I don't really know what I can do with this. Maybe like a liquid blush, but it's super glittery. I guess they could kind of improve that, and that maybe, pick a skin tone or skin tone range. I know that's further making it difficult to process them really quickly, but I don't know. Just something to think about because I really can't use that. And I don't know what I'm gonna use this for, so I don't know. Kind of sad, like I probably just shouldn't have swatched it, but then again, it could go to one of you guys and you also not be able to use it, so yeah, at any rate. I also got another lip ammunition. This is in the shade Snow Cone from the summer collection. I got a couple of those from my other 2 mystery boxes, and I do like them. They're really pretty for like topping other colors, like I said in my other video. This one is Snow Cone right here. So it looks like this one is a very like sheer lemon lime with a silver shift to it, silver little glitter. So I'm actually gonna pop this on. Ooh, but of course, like I said, these are really pretty to transform other colors. So if I do happen to put like a lipstick on and I want to do something a little bit different, you can have this over top of it. All right, we got a Skin Frost, and this is Mystery Frost. Oh, I didn't realize that this was coming in this box. This is like a full-on Halloween vibes. It's got to be orange. Whoa, this is crazy looking. You guys will have to let me know, have you seen this like prevalent in other boxes? Because I have not watched unboxings yet. So there is a little swatch of it. I think I can wear this one. I'm gonna grab like a little MAC 133 and see. Ooh. I'm trying to focus my brush like where it is a little bit lighter so I don't pick up too much of the darkness, but that's really pretty. And sometimes, just to be like 100% honest, the Skin Frost isn't really my favorite because I find that it's a little bit chunkier of a shimmer, but this one is gorgeous. Like, I like that a lot. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. I'm so glad that it shows up on my skin. Hopefully not looking dark. I feel like it looks really nice and glowy and it isn't adding like a lot of color. So I'm really ecstatic for that one. All right, we got a velour liquid lipstick in the shade Christmas Cookie. I think I have this one. So I do not have Christmas Cookie. I was thinking maybe it was from the previous holiday collection, but I haven't seen any holiday items so far, at least not in any of my boxes. So let's put this on really quick. I'm excited to see and kind of happy that I did get a more wearable shade. Okay, so that's really pretty. You know, when I say wearable, obviously you can wear whatever you want, but I did get a lot of like really fun, funky colors in my other two boxes. So I am a little relieved that I got something more neutral, if you will. So that is Christmas Cookie. That's a really pretty color. Right. I think we have gotten the same thing in 3 boxes. So I got another mini breaker palette. They must want to get rid of these because I have gotten 3 of these. So there are going to be 3 winners in this giveaway. I do have one more extra product, so I'm going to decide how I'm going to, you know, disperse that and choose winners. But let's see, we got a couple more things left in this box. All right, we got a gloss, and this is in the shade Sequin Glass. I actually have none of the gloss. I have a ton of other stuff, but no glosses, so I am really excited to have gotten one of these. That looks so gorgeous. All right, so there is the gloss right there in the center of my hand. It has like a little bit of a like slightly purplish kind of feel to it, but ooh, let's put a little bit of this on over top of Christmas Cookie. All right, give a little bit of shine. I feel like this would also be really pretty just worn on its own as well. So that is Sequin Glass. All right, we got one more item in here. We definitely got a mirror. I did get a mirror in my other box. So the question is this the same color? Yes, so I got the orange mirror in my other box. I have a feeling this will also be an orange mirror, but I do want to open it up and double check. Yes, so this is the orange mirror as well. So I'm going to close this one back up. One of you guys will get this mirror, but it will be sliced open, just so you know. So if you don't want a sliced open mirror, don't enter. All right, and then I just quickly want to take it out and show you guys what it looks like. So this is the mirror itself. Big nice mirror, and so this is the one that I opened last night. I'm so excited for mine, and then I will have one to give away to you guys too, which is amazing. All right guys, so I have 5 items in total. I have 3 mini breaker palettes. I have a lip scrub, and then of course you guys just saw that mirror. So I'm gonna have basically like a first, second, and third place prize winner. So the first person will win a mini breaker palette and the Jeffree Star hand mirror. The next person will win a mini breaker palette with the Cucumber Mint lip scrub, and then the third place winner will have the mini breaker palette. So that gives you 3 opportunities to win from these 2 videos. I'm really excited. Like, yeah, it's kind of a bummer to get duplicates and multiple things, but on the other hand, I have some great prizes for you guys. So to be as concise as possible, hopefully, all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to my channel. You have to watch and like both videos and comment on each video. So if you haven't seen the other one, what you'll do is go over and leave me a comment with your favorite item in the box, and then on this one you can do the same. So whatever your favorite thing was that you saw out of this unboxing, whether it be in the giveaway or not. And if you guys want an additional entry, you can go follow me on Instagram. I'll put my handle right up here. I will definitely be checking for the Instagram follow, especially when it comes to my first place prize of the hand mirror and the palette, because I think that's an awesome prize. So I will pick someone who is following me on both. I'll pick a random winner from the comment section. So the first person that I land on, I'll go check. If you're following me on Instagram, then you will win the prize number 1 of the mirror and the palette. If you're not, then I'll get you the second prize, and then we'll go to the next one, and so on and so forth. So I'm super excited for you guys to win these things and get them home. If you didn't have the chance to get the mystery box, then maybe I can brighten your day with a little Jeffree Star anyway. So that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these unboxings. If you did, of course, leave me a big thumbs up, even if you're not interested in entering the giveaway. If I get a lot of thumbs up, I'll make sure to go ahead and do these in the future as well, and hopefully get them up a little bit earlier next time. So that is everything, and of course, these are the little things that you can win. Thank you guys again. I love you, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye.